welcome to day 4 of the Simple Sexy Surprise series. In tonight's video, it's going to be about the romantic breakfast in bed. Wouldn't this be a nice surprise to wake up to on Valentine's Day? Keep it in mind. But first, let's go to the outfit that I'm wearing from Shein.com. This cute blue with red heart pajama set. It's one of my favorites. It's such a fun outfit. I'm having a great time in it. It's cute and it does have just a little bit of sexy to it. So in order to prepare for breakfast in bed, you gotta have a bed. So minimum decorations. I just made my bed up as regular and put a heart-shaped pillow. And on the nightstands, I used just some of the Dollar Tree foam hearts, the glittered foam hearts that I know everyone has seen, and just put them on the nightstand. So we have the bedroom is ready. So let's get in the kitchen. To start off, you need to have a serving tray. So I'm using my mirrored serving tray, and because this is more masculine, a denim placemat. This is so cute. Let's start building our tray. I'm using my blue and white churrasserie teapot. That's such a hard word for me to say. And we're going with the matching tea cup and saucer. We're going to have fruit, strawberries, oranges, and grapes. You want to keep them healthy. And we're moving on to a few scrambled eggs with a tad bit of black pepper sprinkled on top. Our tray is coming together. It looks delicious. So let's have a few waffles and 3 strips of bacon and a cold glass of orange juice. Who doesn't like breakfast in bed? To wake up to someone who loves you, serving you, and who has prepared a meal to start your day. I pray that you have been enjoying my series. This will be a great time to go ahead and click the like button. And if this is your first time watching my channel and you like what you see, why don't you go ahead and subscribe, click the top bell so that way you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I hope that this series is giving you some inspiration. We're only on day 4, but we have 10 more days to go to keep you inspired for the Valentine's Day season. What have you planned so far to do for your sweetheart? Leave me a comment and let me know what your plans are. Okay, we're here and let's get serving. I hope you have enjoyed tonight's video. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Good night.
내게로 와서 melt my heart.